So we're out here in Vieira. We're looking at a new house, and
Like a playground over here.
I'm gonna take you inside real quick. So just gorgeous. You got your formal dining room up front here. We have the beautiful open floor plan, KitchenAid appliances, gas cooktop. Just stunning house. All the trim around the windows. So I'm going to back up from the other side so you can see the great room from this area. And Paul, how much is this house again?
This one is $558.
$558. Out here in wonderful Vieira. And I'll walk you into the master suite here, and then we'll just wrap this one up real quick for you. But beautiful, huge master suite. I love the windows above, the tray ceiling. Where do you see these walk-in closets? Just all built out. There's one. There's one. And here we go into the master bathroom. So double sinks that are separated. I like that. The glass enclosed shower, the garden tub, and also a private water closet. Thank you for coming. Give me a call. This is Tony with Coldwell Banker Paradise. Bye.